If you're looking into residential solar, you might find the quotes confusing, especially in 2026. Let's break down why. The solar industry is growing rapidly, which is great for the planet, but it has introduced significant complexity into the quoting process. The boom in solar adoption means more providers, more technologies, and ultimately, more confusing quotes for the average homeowner. 2026 is a critical year because of evolving technology, financial incentives, and regulatory changes that impact what your final cost and savings will look like. One major factor is the growing complexity of modern solar systems. It's no longer just panels on a roof. Today's systems often integrate battery storage, smart home energy management, and even electric vehicle charging, making quotes multi-layered and hard to parse. You also need to compare different panel efficiencies and inverter technologies, which adds technical jargon and varying performance metrics to the quote. Next, let's talk about the financial and regulatory maze that makes quotes so opaque. State and federal incentives, including tax credits, are constantly shifting, and quotes may not clearly explain how these are applied or when they expire. Changes to net metering policies and utility tariffs significantly impact your long-term savings, but these details are often buried deep in the fine print of a quote. The third major issue is a lack of transparency in the quotes themselves. Be aware of hidden costs like necessary roof repairs, system permitting fees, and electrical upgrades, which may not be itemized clearly. With different system sizes, technologies, and financing options, comparing quotes apples to apples is nearly impossible without expert guidance. So, what's the solution to navigating this confusing landscape and getting a clear, accurate quote? The most crucial first step is a detailed home energy audit. This establishes your true energy needs, so you only pay for the system you need. For expert assistance in performing a thorough audit, visit Audits.SolarSavingsHub.energy today. Don't let confusing quotes deter you from going solar. A little preparation goes a long way. To get a quick estimate of your potential savings, check out our free calculator at Calculator.SolarSavingsHub.energy. Like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the future of residential solar.